Mr. Babiaka.
Yes, ma'am.
Our able secretary. Can you please take the attendance now?
Honorable. Mommy Junior, number 1.
I am present in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Number 2, Mrs. Adam.
I'm here.
That's all okay.
Do you have cotton wool in your ears?
Oh, le gbọ́n dáadáa ni.
Number 3, Mr. Shibuso. Mr. Shibuso.
Mazi, are you not hearing your name? Is it my name that he's calling? Does that sound like my name?
Is your name not Shibuso?
Dear secretary, don't you know that I'm a titled man? You don't have respect. Eh? You are calling my name like that. Huh? Mr. Secretary. Can you name again?
Opugara. A titled man.
Do you think it's easy to have 10 boys and in my 2 shots and I'm paying them salary?
Oh, do you see?
Please, is your name not Shibuso? I even put Mr. I say, are you not a Mr.?
How dare you? You cannot see the red cap on my head.
Oh, don't know. I think you are blind. Don't you